Hey Easy Technology fans, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to add any application to the Windows desktop's right-click menu. And what I mean by this is if you're on Windows 11, then when you right-click and select Show More Options, it'll show you this menu over here. And what I'm going to show you is add an application such as Notepad, Google Chrome, OBS Studio, MATLAB, whatever it is that you can add on this display right over here and quickly just open it. And if you are on Windows 10 and you simply right click, you would find this menu automatically. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is go ahead and choose the start menu and type in registry editor. So go ahead and select that application. Choose yes to allow changes. All right, and what you want to do is go ahead and follow the exact directory I'm about to type in. All right, and once you copy and paste this exact directory as it appears, then what you want to do is it's going to highlight shell for you. So simply what you want to do is go ahead and select it and simply just go ahead and right click on it one time and go ahead and select new. So it's going to open up another menu and go ahead and select key right over here. As you can see, it's going to add another folder. And what you want to do is, for example, if I want to add Notepad to that section, then I'm going to right click and go ahead and type in rename. And I'm going to type in Notepad and go ahead and select enter. All right, and what you want to do once you have created the Notepad folder, for example, if you want to assign an Alt key to this menu entry for quicker access, you can change the default section over here. So what you want to do is double click on this right over here, and it's going to have this value name, so you can just leave that. And what you want to do is simply put the and sign, which is Shift 7 on your keyboard, and then type in Notepad. All right, and go ahead and select OK. And once you do that, go ahead and right click on Notepad. So select it once, right click, and again, we're going to choose New and go ahead and select Key right over here. And it's going to open another subfolder. So what you want to name this folder is Command with all lowercase letters. And simply go ahead and choose Enter. And what you want to do is copy the Notepad's path to the directory. So basically, for example, you won't need it for Notepad, but say for example you want to put Excel on there. So you would choose the start menu and type in Excel and select this arrow and go ahead and select open file location. Alright, so it's going to show you the exact location, and what you want to do is go ahead and right click and go ahead and choose copy as path. So once you select copy as path, it's going to copy the exact path and you're going to paste that right into here. So what you want to do now is simply double click on command, go ahead and double click on this default, and it's going to ask to type in a value data. So what you want to type in is paste this exact path, Control V, and as you can see, it copied the exact path for Excel. Alright, but in my case, I'm going to copy a different path. Alright, and once you have completed, copied, and pasted or manually typed in the whole path, then what you want to do is go ahead and select OK. And once you're all done, then it should look just like this when you're done. So it should be selected on the command subfolder, and it should say default here and the type, and the data should look something similar to this path. Alright, and now what you want to do is simply just exit this out and go ahead and right click and go ahead and select show more options. And as you can see, Notepad is now added to my options right over here. So if you want to launch it, go ahead and left click on it and it will launch the Notepad automatically. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like the video, share it to your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.